Right, here we go then, guys. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So, see this wiper arm, it kind of goes up here and then it curves around like that. So you need to push this that way. Give it a bit of a wiggle and a shift. There you go. One-handed, there you go. Pop that out of the way, get your new one. There we go. This time, kind of pull it. Actually, pop up like that, push it. There we go. Wait till it clicks, happy days. So again, get it like that, push down that way, or we'll put force kind of like going that way. Don't know what the technical term for that is, but it's in. We've got a new wiper, easy. I opted for a smaller one because this was overlapping. Don't really need it that big on that side. There we go.